Hi guys, I'm Jessie of Crochet by Jessie and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I have never done this on my channel and it's the first time that I'm doing it ever in general, so I'm really excited, but I am announcing that I am doing my very first Christmas crochet along project. So this Christmas crochet along is going to be Mosaic Crochet, which I think is really fun because that is my main passion with the crochet. And I was not planning to do this. I'm very aware this is quite last minute because I kind of just spontaneously thought, yeah, I'm going to take my friend's suggestion because one of my amazing crochet friends made the suggestion and said, well, if you're planning to do some content like this over the next month or two, then maybe make a crochet along. And I thought that was a really good idea. So that is what we are doing. You guys will probably have seen, but I posted a Christmas tree tutorial, which is Mosaic Crochet, last week, and that is now officially going to be part one of the crochet along because I was really not planning to do this, but it's such a good suggestion. So what we are going to be doing is essentially a patchwork crochet along, and the fun with this is you can choose how big or small you want this project to be just based on the time that you have as well, which I think is quite important because some of us are going to have time to make a giant project, some of us less so, and that is absolutely fine. I would first like to note as well that this is a completely free crochet along. I want it to be as inclusive as I can, and I just want to enjoy my first ever crochet along and just want everyone to be able to enjoy it as well. This crochet along will comprise of two main elements. The first will be a video tutorial, which you will have on this platform here, and I will also work up free pattern charts at the same time, so you can have either a pattern chart with you as you go through the tutorial. If you just want the pattern charts, you've got them as well, but as a person who's a visual learner for the most part myself, I feel like it's good to have little step-by-step kind of walkthrough videos at the same time, so that is what we are going to be doing. If you guys want to get into this project but you're not really familiar with Mosaic Crochet, I will say that I have done my best to tailor this project to be as beginner friendly as possible. If you've never done any Mosaic Crochet whatsoever, I have a beginner's tutorial, which is one of my first videos on my channel. I definitely check that out because it just gives you an explanation of how to read the chart, what you need to know for Mosaic Crochet, and then it's quite a quick watch. So once you've seen that, then head over to my Christmas tree video, and that is part one. This is the Christmas tree, so this is week one. This in itself is the first swatch, but the joy with this project is I would just say make as many of the swatches as you want, and then you can then put them together in the patchwork process. So if you want a fairly small project, you may need one, you may need two, but if you want to make quite a large piece, like maybe a throw or a blanket for Christmas, maybe look at making 4 or 5, and then as you're doing it weekly, you'll have a different design each week that you can then start to work on. A little sneak peek, so next week's video, well I say next week, this week's video now, so we're week 2 because I am disorganised. Week 2 is going to be making this candy cane. This tutorial should be up, I would like to say, by Wednesday, so in 2 days time from this video being posted. I've already got the pattern chart ready for it. I am going to be posting that on the Wednesday, so the Christmas tree is already available. I would suggest that you download the pattern through Ravelry, just because if you do happen to do that, then every time that I upload the new pattern and update it, you will be sent out an email with the updated pattern with the new chart. So I'd recommend that because in a way it's kind of like a little reminder for you guys. So here are the 2 swatches that I have completed. All the filming for this is done, we just need to finalise the video, and this video is already up for the Christmas tree. But there's lots of different designs that I've already got in progress. We're going to have reindeers, we're going to have Christmas baubles, wreaths, we're going to have snowmen, gingerbread men, loads of different things. And what's going to be really fun is there's an added element of customization. So with this Christmas tree, you can weave in or do embroidery or do anything to add any extra details for the Christmas tree, such as decorations. The same is going to apply for the wreath, which is just going to be a basic wreath, and any decorations you want on there you can put on. The same will be for the snowman and the gingerbread man, just so you can do loads of different things to really make it your own, which I'm also very excited because yeah, each piece is going to be so unique at the same time, despite doing a crochet along, which I think is a really fun idea to do. So that is it for this announcement. It's quite a short video, but I just want to let everyone know what I am planning and what is now currently ongoing. If you guys check out on my TikTok, I'll probably be doing a few sneak peek posts just throughout the crochet along, just to hint what the next pattern will be before I officially post it. But apart from that, I'm really excited. Do let me know in the comments below if you would like to take part in this crochet along. And if you also post on TikTok or other social media, then please do tag me, because I would love to see your projects as you're working on them. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and if you'd like to see more content like this or the future crochet along tutorials, then please do subscribe to this channel, as well as pressing the bell to be notified when these videos are up. Bye guys!